Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make a restaurant style mushroom biryani at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 2 large onions roughly chopped, 2 lemons, a handful of coriander leaves, 4 chillies, a cup of tomato puree. I used 2 large tomatoes to make this puree, 300 grams of mushrooms cut into pieces, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, half teaspoon of mace, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 pieces of cardamom, 3 bay leaves, 5 to 6 pieces of cloves, 1 star anise, 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half cup of almonds and cashew nuts paste, 500 grams of basmati rice, washed and soaked in water for about 30 minutes, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, salt according to your taste, 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of biryani masala powder. Here I am using store-bought Mehran biryani masala powder. You can use any other biryani masala powder of your choice. Let's get started. Take a pan on a medium flame. Add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil gets slightly hot, now add all the spices to it. That is bay leaves, star anise, cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, cloves, mace, and cumin seeds. Make sure the flame is low and wait until you get a nice aroma of all the spices. Once you start getting a nice aroma of all the spices, then add the roughly chopped onions into it. And saute it till it becomes light golden brown. Add some salt and mix it well. Then I'm adding some butter. That's completely optional. Once the onion has become slight golden brown, add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, then add a cup of tomato puree, 4 chillies and some coriander leaves and mix it well. Now add juice of 2 lemons and give it a quick mix. Then I am adding around 4 tablespoons of yogurt, and a cube of chicken stock. That's completely optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. And mix both the ingredients well. Then I am adding around half cup of almonds and cashew nuts paste and give it a quick mix. Now I am adding around 3 tablespoons of Mehran biryani masala powder and mix it well with the gravy. Then add about 300 grams of mushrooms and mix it well. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder to make the biryani more spicy. You can skip it if you don't prefer it spicy. Now cover with a lid and leave it until it's done. Now after 10 minutes you can see our mushroom gravy is ready. Meanwhile I have cooked the basmati rice as well. Now transferring the basmati rice. Make sure to soak the basmati rice in the water for about 30 minutes. And do not overcook the rice. It should be only 70% done while cooking. Now add some fried onions. Then add about 4 tablespoons of ghee. And garnish it with some coriander leaves. And cover with a foil. And leave it on a low flame for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now after 25 minutes, our yummy mushroom biryani is ready. Now mix it slowly. Make sure the rice doesn't break. Now our restaurant style yummy mushroom biryani is ready to be served. Hope you all like my recipe. Try this yummy recipe at your home and do send me your valuable feedbacks. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you all for watching.